In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use cache coding to bulk reconcile transactions in Xero. Cache coding is a powerful way to speed up reconciliation when you have lots of simple bank lines, like regular subscriptions, fuel, bank fees, or small expenses that don't need individual matching to invoices or bills. Before you start, make sure your bank feed has imported the latest transactions and that you have the right permissions to reconcile in your Xero organization. From your Xero dashboard, open the accounting menu. This is where you manage all things financial in Xero. Next, choose bank accounts. You'll see a list of all the bank, credit card, and other accounts connected to your file. Pick the specific bank account you want to work with. It's worth double checking the account name and balance so you don't reconcile in the wrong place. Once you're in that account, switch to the cache coding view. This view lays out your bank lines in a grid so you can review details like date, payee, description, reference, and amounts all in one place. The key advantage here is that you can apply the same coding to multiple lines at once, which is a huge time saver. Now, select the transactions you want to reconcile by ticking the checkboxes next to each relevant line. You can sort columns to group similar items together, like putting all fuel charges or software subscriptions side by side. As you select, quickly review the coding fields shown for those lines. Things like the contact, the account code, the tax rate, and any tracking categories your business uses. If you rely on bank rules, many of these fields may already be filled for you. Still, take a moment to confirm they're accurate. Avoid selecting any transactions that should be matched to existing invoices or bills. Those are better handled in the standard Reconcile tab. When you're confident the selected lines are coded correctly, click Save and Reconcile Selected. Xero will create the necessary spend or receive money transactions and mark those bank lines as reconciled instantly. If you spot a mistake afterward, you can open the transaction to edit or unreconcile it, but it's best practice to reconcile in sensible batches and review before you save. That's all there is to it. Navigate to Accounting. Open bank accounts, choose the right account, head to cache coding, select the lines you want, review the coding, and click Save and Reconcile Selected. With a little setup and careful review, cache coding turns hours of repetitive reconciliation into just a few minutes of tidy, accurate bookkeeping.